Hey guys, and welcome back to another Saturday night food review. This is from my probably my favorite restaurant. I keep saying it is my favorite restaurant, and I think it probably is. Anyway, so sharing this with my mom, I bought chicken noodles, I bought chicken spring rolls. I'm probably going to have one more a little later, and this is dragon chicken. So chicken. Anyway, yeah, let's try some of that. And there's a sauce, little spicy sauce for the spring rolls. Let's try some of that noodles first. It's been a while since I had. Yeah, I don't have it as often as I did, so sometimes I do miss it. And my mom also said that she's kind of missing it. Little tiny fork, but you do with what you have. Let's try some of that dragon chicken. Some of their stuff is like out of this world. Now, dragon chicken especially. I think it's been a while since I had that, but yeah, it's bombastic. So where it at? Spring roll packed to the rafters. Dip it in that sauce. I love their spring rolls. I love almost everything from them. And that's why I call them my favorites. Spring rolls and the dragon chicken, I'm going to give a 9. I have rated them before, I guess, but chicken noodles maybe an 8. It kind of seems to me the chicken noodles is a little bit colder, while the other seems a little bit more fresher. Especially when I opened the pack of the both the dragon chicken and the spring rolls was pretty hot. So yeah, and it's, I don't know how many kilometers away from here, 5, 6? Yeah, 6 kilometers at least. So amazing time the delivery guy made, and yeah, slightly spicy, but love it, absolutely love it from Golden Dragon. Amazing stuff. Thank you guys. Bye bye. Quick little video. Bye bye.